Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Redmi. Begin by opening Themes app and tapping on Theme section at the bottom left corner. Following that, tap on the search bar, type in wherever you wish to. Select one of those themes or tap on one of those options, like categories or free. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit the best theme for you. Tap on download, wait couple of seconds and select apply. Then wait again. Finally, click on Home button. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Themes app again. But this time, instead of tapping on Themes at the bottom left corner, select Profile at the bottom right one. Then click on Themes section, tap on one of those default ones like Classic, and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!